Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. Welcome to this multi series tutorial on how to build a website using Astro and Cloudflare workers. Now, the first thing you might be asking yourself is why should I create a website on Astro when I have platforms like WordPress, Shopify, Wix, etc.? The biggest reason is because it is very, very fast. Like if you look at the performance of the Astro website, like this one right here, this is my personal website, and this page right here has a lot of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. But if you load the page, you can see that it loads instantly. I also have the data on page speed inside. So this page right here has a performance of 98 on mobile and 100 on desktop. Furthermore, websites built on Astro index instantly. So if you are using Astro to build your website and have good content, Google and other search engines will instantly index your page, and they have really good SEO and search ranking as well. Big corporations like Cloudflare and Google itself use the Astro. So it's the next generation website builder and is much better than other website builders out there. So I'm going to teach you how to create a website using this platform. The video tutorials are step by step, and I have divided them into short videos instead of creating a long 1 hour video to make sure you understand every concept properly. So without further delay, let's get started. To create the website, you need two things. First, you need a Cloudflare account. The second, you need a GitHub account. So you can go to the github.com and create your account right here. To set up the website, you have to go to the Cloudflare workers, go to add, and click on workers right here. After that, you have two options here. You can either use the workers or you can use the pages. The pages is also good for creating a static website, but workers is far better. It has all the features of the pages as well, so it is much better choice. Next up, go to select a template, click on get started, and now you have a bunch of templates here. Our interest is in the Astro framework starter. Click on it, and in the next window, click on deploy. After that, it will take you to application setup page. Here you can either connect a new GitHub account or select the existing one. So if you are new to the Cloudflare, you have to create a setup here. That's very easy. You can just click on new GitHub connection and set up a connection between Cloudflare and the GitHub. Once you have done that, click on create private repository. This is to hide your repository from the public. Repository basically we are hosting our code on the GitHub, right? So you can make the website code, the source code private. It's a nice practice, so make sure you turn this on. After that, write the name of your website. So you have to write it in small letters. Okay, and that's it. Now click on create and deploy. After that, Cloudflare workers will take some time to set up your repository and create the website for you. So now it is building and deploying your website on the GitHub. You can see the entire process right here. Now it's installing the tools and dependencies, and it is now building the website. And finally, it is deploying the website to the Cloudflare's global network. A little bit about the workers. So you can see all the workers and pages, applications in the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the workers and pages, and you can see all your websites right here. This one is uh, the recent website we have just created. Here you can see the uses of your dashboard. So right now I also have a free plan, right? So I'm not paying anything to create my website at this moment. And when I scale my website, I can upgrade to the premium. All right. So now we have the success message, and you can now either go to the edit code or continue to project. For now, let's go to the edit code, and here you can see the source code of your website from the server side. Okay, so this is the server side code of your website. You don't have to change it at all, so it's totally fine. You can see your website by clicking on the visit page. Right now we haven't connected any domain, so this is the domain of our website. So we have basically created the website for our project, our brand. All right. Now you can go to your dashboard for the website. So to access it, just go to the workers and pages and click on your website right here. Here you can see all the data, all the uses of your website. Here you can see the deployment. Uh, we're going to learn more about this. The important thing, like where we can edit our website, is right here. So you can click on this option, view your workers code, click on it, and it will take you to your GitHub repository. This is where you create your website. Okay, this is where your website is located. Just open the source code, and your blog will be in the content slash blog. So these are all the blog posts. So if you go to your website and the blog, you can see all the posts here. And right, so these are all the blog posts that you have added in this website. And you can see all your pages right here. So we have an about page, the code right here, and about section right here. Okay, so everything you add here will be added to your website as well. So this was the setup part of our website. In the next video, I will teach you how to change the settings of the website, like how to change the name, your brand, how to add favicon right here, how to add blog post, and many more things. But yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you learned how to create and set up the Cloudflare workers and the Astro website. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.